Graduated year 2006-2007. Despite the many challenges that life had presented, she remained steadfast as her desire to the community. Her academic pursuit brought her to Assumption College of Davao, where she earned her degree in social work year 2022-2023. Her hard work and dedication culminated in her successful passing of the social work licensure examination in 2023. But her journey did not stop there. As early as 2012, she was already involved in humanitarian efforts, serving as a volunteer staff member with the World Medical Relief in Detroit, Michigan, USA. Her compassion and commitment continued to shine till 2024 when she served as a volunteer social worker for the Family Care and Community Development Initiatives, contributing her skills to help families and communities thrive. Currently, she holds the position of Social Welfare Officer 1 at the Municipal Welfare Development Office, Local Government Unit of Matanao. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming a devoted public servant and an exemplary figure in the field of social work. Our guest of honor and speaker, Ma'am Roselyn Iliaga Aizo. Let's give her a round of applause.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Joy. Pwede na mag-ikot mga bata. To Kabasagan Elementary School teachers, headed by the school principal, Ma'am Janet Elica Plaza, barangay officials, visitors, PTCA officers, parents, graduating class, o sa tanan nga nakakaroon, good afternoon. So, I was also a former student, no, diri sa Kabasagan Elementary School way back in 2001. So, the last time nalitindo ko diri sa stage was to give my welcome address as the salutatorian of the class. So, dugay-dugay na jud siya. And karon gani ka murag nakulbaan ko kay hala. Dugay-dugay ko nakabalik sa ako ang alma mater, no? That is why when Ma'am Susan, no, invited me to stand before you today as a